English. As you see, if there's a one mumu, if you don't help am, if you go fall, enter gutter. We don't fight any group. One mumu man open a mouth talk anyhow. So we don't go because of one person. Come begin talk about a group of people as if foolish, no full and foolish. Make I first greet the first citizen of Ijaw Nation, our president for INC. Prof, I greet you. I greet all the people who call this meeting because this meeting, we don't fit wait pass like this. We don't wait reach. You know they hard. What you do and what you not do, enemy go say you do. We don't hear them, we don't see them. We don't hear them, we don't see them. You see, waiting Mr. President too. Now the kind thing when stepmother they do step begin. When two children they fight, instead you go stop them. You go carry one, enter house, carry one, beat and kick am. If one person open a mouth, talk anyhow, cause a full nation, call us minority of minority, talk anyhow, we like do a sin like abuse everybody. Say na him be Jehovah, na him do this, na him do the only one person. Then you come, you carry that one person, put for house. Carry the person and the oppress, punish him. Oga, no vex so 2027 they come. 2026 una go come meet us again, abi? Una go come tell
Ijaw no be minority. Never mind the foolish talk. Now we be the majority. Ijaw no be minority. You
When you sleep, wake up. You talk as you talk. Una go come again, no? Una know how to enter water come. Now una dey do like say the water far. No problem. We dey look on her. Una sense, they look us. But the Ijaw Nation make I tell you something. If you know who will be your own, you allow am enter another person and now you lose. They don't call us name if we keep quiet. Now we lose. They don't carry fight. The first fight when they carry them enter Abloma. 14 of our children die. They say that they do meeting. They carry them again enter Panama. None of our sons come out. Our daughters come out. They don't hold anything. They shoot. Honor the fear. No, not them at the ass. Not only women they see their fear. If they can't see this on our face, how they go there? So we now go green. So my message is actually to the President of Nigeria. As it is so, now you take your hand, scatter rule of law. Supreme Court give judgment. Right, una no gree answer. Then the next thing, una say spoil something. Who they do like that? So, Oga President, as you take your hand, scatter rule of law, and you be telling me go do rule of law, you take your hand, scatter our constitution. She make all of us cuckoo scatter the constitution now. Constitution still there? No. It's still there? No. It's still there? No. When it just says self-determination, they say we too talk. That them don't take their hand, carry the self-determination, put our hand. Eyes up! Eyes up! Eyes up! We not be play. The Ijaw Nation not be playground. Tikiria, you don't go come here, come match our head, talk anyhow for us. When now we dey feed on her? Imagine person where you dey feed to tell you say your pots they smell. Who be that? Who be that? Who be that? I no go waste my God-given blessed calamari blood, my royal blood. Now who be that? Carry person we no know where I come from. Now mommy patient I dey worry for. Now she carry this papa tomorrow. Carry alala Lulu, give River States. They come now, come they run out like who chop okra. Hands up! I don't go do better thing.
Thank you very much. Powerful boys of the Niger Delta. Thank you very much. The powerful boys, the powerful woman of the Niger Delta.